they say, sound especially, they say that the audience will forgive bad camera work, bad performance way before they forgive bad sound.
It's so true.
And it doesn't even have to be bad. It just has to like be not what they want.
Off.
You know, just off. Yeah, exactly. Just slightly off, and all of a sudden they can't watch it or they can't do it. They can watch bad camera work and be fine with it. They can watch bad writing and be fine with it. If there's something to hold on to, if the sound's bad, they leave the theater. You know, they can't get to that point